Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, Late to Myers. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Well, today I'm going to be showing you guys some tips that I know and I think that I like. Something that's really interesting to me that involves maybe you guys would like those. Maybe you guys will have some tips that I know and you already know. You might not. So here's the deal. We're going to go press play. And we're going to press single player. We're going to press woodlands. Then we'll just wait for this. But yeah, I'm hoping you guys are having an awesome day today. I'm having an awesome day today. I hope you guys are. Like, every day is awesome. So, yeah. Okay, I guess it teleported me here. This is not where I want it to be. Now, I don't have a snorkel on this truck. Why is it all, like, laggy? It's so laggy for me. I'm not sure about you guys. Frick. Oh, gosh. Woo! There we go. Okay. So here's one tip is that I suggest is let me show you, is to have your tires kind of fat but not too fat. I think this is a 0.8 on these, because what I suggest, I'll show you what I like about them. Just let me show you a tip that I think I know. Well, I've done it before. So I'll just tell you right now, the tip is to just, so if you guys are getting tired of having your truck really muddy, and you have to pay like $300 for it. I get that. But then, if you get your truck all muddy, you can just go in the water. And then you're just fine. You'll be nice like this. Nice, clean truck. And that's what I declare is really good. Is to have a nice, clean truck for rock crawling or something. And here's another thing that I suggest is, I'll show you that one tip with my the big fat tire thing. It is about is about, let me show you. So we're gonna press this single player rock park. Yeah, I like the rock park. I think it's actually really interesting. I don't think it's boring. And here it shouldn't be too laggy for you guys. Yeah, it's not laggy at all. For me, it's not. I'm not sure about you guys. Yeah, I don't like my speed thing up for some reason. I think it just annoys me when I drive. So, let me see here. Woo! Nice trick for today's video. Okay. Now, so what I do is I start out like right here and then go on the rocks, and I'll show you. So the big fat tire thing, you want your thing on low, shift it down to low. And then the thing is, the tires They function more on the rock and get actually more grip than skinnier tires. Because I've tried it with skinnier tires, and also fat tires give you, so like when you're going fast, like I'll show you about like maybe, let's see. Oh, I forgot we're in low gear. Maybe about this, I don't know, let's see if it'll go faster. About that fast, you swing. That would normally, just, if your tires are skinny, it would swing you and you'll just flip your truck over. But with the tires flat, you wouldn't swing that much. Like if I went like that, I would have flipped right over. So that's my suggestion. Is yeah, I think it's really the best thing to do. Now I don't know what I should do. And also, here's a bad thing about having your... I'm tired of the truck flipping. Okay, this is why the truck flips. It is because it's lifted. Now, if you wanted a racing truck, you would probably want it kind of low. Well, this truck right now is a Bronco with a roll cage and a bumper on it. Yeah. So, I would suggest to not have your trucks really high. Let me show you. It is this truck, right. This one right here. It's really lifted, and here, I'll show you guys. Just watch this 1 second. So this way it's interesting to watch this go. See the back tires move? I put it like that because it's better to rock crawl like that. Oh, here's a good tip too. Is if you want money, best stage to get money, see it kind of flings with the back tires. This is a rock crawling truck. The best thing to get money is from, oh God, these chests right here. These little chests give you 10 XP, $5,500, even more. The bigger chests give you gold. And watch, I'll go really fast with this truck and watch what happens. This is what's going to happen. Now I'm going to turn like I'm going to turn. See? And if I put more weight and everything, the weight's maxed out, and I'll show you how good it's at rock climbing. This is not really rocky though, but see, it does just fine. That's what I don't get. Now, I think these kind of trucks are cool to rock climb with, but they're not the best thing. I like rock crawling. I think it's so much fun, but it's not the best thing. So, yeah. Well, I think I'm going to end this video today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a thumbs up, and remember to turn on notifications and subscribe. Thank you.